Hey everyone, how you doing? If you are new here, I'm Nicol Concilio and welcome to the video, y'all. I have a new backdrop that is so beyond gorgeous. I'm gonna get out of the frame really quick so y'all can see it. Like, look at that shit. Thank you, Joanne Fabrics. Not sponsored, but I wish it was. Hi, you guys. So today's video, we are going to be doing our makeup in alphabetical order. Now, I just saw James do this and Nikki tutorials, and I think there was like a few other people that may have done this in the past, but it was so freaking cool and so funny and just like a different take on makeup because like imagine if you did it alphabetical, like what would even happen? So I guess we're gonna find out, but y'all, I'm beyond excited to do this. I don't know why I'm like I feel so giddy. I'm like, I can't wait to do this. But yeah, so basically what they did was like go in alphabetical order. So like, you know, bronzer, blush, brows, concealer, like just went in alphabetical order of doing their makeup. And I think that that's hilarious. And I'm very excited for that. So I have taken the liberty of writing down everything in alphabetical order because I'm not the smartest. And basically, the order that I'm going to be doing my makeup today is blush, bronzer, brows, concealer, contour, creams. And what I mean by creams is it's like moisturizer. I always call them creams. I don't know if that's like an East Coast thing. Eyelashes, eyeliner, eyeshadow, foundation, highlighter, lip liner, lipstick, mascara, face primer, setting powder, and setting spray. Now, I'm a little bit like anxious to do this. Obviously, I'm going to try to make it look as best as I possibly can. I do have some brow products on from the night before. And let's freaking get into it. So the first thing we're going to be doing is blush. And I don't have anything on my face. Nothing is primed. Not a damn thing. So for blush, we are going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics Pink Power and also my Morphe Y4 brush. And let's pop this blush on. Gonna make it dark enough so that it freaking shows through my foundation. Imagine I do this and it's like the best thing ever in life and I'm like, oh, I have to do this from now on. Wishful thinking. And I also really like to add blush to my nose, so I'm gonna do that. I already look crazy. And I'm adding a lot because I wanted to show through my concealer and my foundation. Normally I would never add this much, but for it to have a shot, we're gonna have to try to do it like this. All right, what is next? Bronzer. And my favorite bronzer is MAC Give Me Sun. Let's apply it how I normally would apply bronzer, I guess. Oh my god. What a freaking nightmare this is going to be. And then I always bronze under here. And I'm just thinking about how much fun this is going to be to take off. That is what's getting me through this lovely tutorial. Next we have brows, and I can get behind that because I'm normally always doing my brows kind of relatively first. So who would have thought that this would have been on our side? Also, you guys, I have some really hot tea over here. I have a studio session that I'm so excited for, and my throat's a little nodey. Get it? Nodes, but naughty. Gotta laugh. So for brows, I really like to use the Benefit Ka-Brow, and I use an external brush because I don't really care for the brush that it comes with, but this is kind of how I've been doing my brows lately with this pomade. I'm not gonna go too in depth because I already filmed a separate video on how I do my brows, like an updated brow routine. So I am just going to kind of do my brows off camera, but let you guys know the products that I'm using. And this right here is the pomade, and I use the Morphe M158 brush. Okay, brows is done. Next up, we have concealer, and Jesus, take the wheel. I'm going to be using my No Filter concealer from Colourpop, and I'm in the shade Medium 24, and let's apply this concealer the way a bitch would. This is something, you know. Also apply it here, here, and here. And then we also have contour next. This is so funny. I don't know if you guys are finding this as comical as I am, but I'm having a great time over here. And for contour, I use the Colourpop No Filter stick, and this is Dark 177C. If you want to go see me use it on a real tutorial, please feel free to. Okay, so let's blend a Rooney. Interesting. This feels like ass, okay? The powder underneath is so dry. You know who I would really love to see this challenge? Jenna freaking Marbles, okay? Oh, damn. Yes, you blend over that powder, hunty. This is the splotchiest splotch fest that has ever splotched. Ever. Oh, this is taking... I've been blending now for 5 minutes and 46 seconds, and I normally can blend in like maybe 2 minutes. Freaking arm hurts. Okay, all right. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna clean up the edges, just a smidge. Clean them up, nice. Okay, great, fantastic, wonderful. Let's move on. Next thing we have is eyelashes. And I have my Lilly Lashes here. I love these puppies so freaking much. This is the Miami style, and I have a discount code with Lilly Lashes. I do make a little bit of a commission on, but you guys get a discount code, so it's a win-win for both of us. It's Nicol. So I'm going to go ahead and, trim these lashes just a little bit. These lashes are great because I don't have to trim too much off of them, like at all. So that's another reason why I really like the Miamis. There are some lashes where I feel like I have to trim for days. And I'm like, okay, that's nice. And this is truly in alphabetical order. Like, I literally arranged eyelashes, eyeliner, and eyeshadow. Okay, so let's pop this on. I've never applied lashes, like, first. And there's a reason I don't apply them first. You know what I mean? God, they're coming up and everything. I feel like because it has, like, nothing to grab onto, There we go. That's a little better. My lash isn't even freaking sticking because there's nothing for it to grab onto. We'll do this side. Oh, come on. That looks like ass. I got to reapply that. I don't know what the freak happened here. Okay, so we're kind of on now. I don't know why I had such a difficult time. I feel like it's because I didn't have any mascara on, like to kind of grip them. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. Thank God this isn't a serious video. Next thing we have is eyeliner. And I feel like that's not going to be too bad. This is the Tarteist double take. I really like it. And I'm just going to go around. And I'm going to go over here and do the same thing. This part actually isn't that bad because you could just kind of add to what you already got going on. And then next we have eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with the Misunderstood palette because I really liked this palette and I used it the other day on my channel, and this is definitely one of those palettes that I'm going to be using more than once. You know what I mean? So I'm going to start with the shade Tragic, and I'm not going to do anything like super crazy. I'm just going to go up in the crease with that shade, and also have never applied eyeshadow like this, so not really sure how it's going to work out or look, but I don't think we're going for looks today, y'all. Applying that in the crease and going in with the shade Devious in the crease as well. And I'm going to go ahead and do the lower lash. And then I'm going to use this shade Mongrels, and I'm going to pack it ever so carefully on the lid, like so. And do the same thing over here. Pack a beach on. Definitely, not the most intricate eyeshadow look. Oh, God. I just saw my cheeks in the monitor, and I was like, what the hell? Okay, next we have foundation. Since I don't really want to waste my Dior Air Flash on this, I'm going to go in with the Colourpop Cosmetics No Filter Foundation. I'm just going to start to... Yeah, see, that just like freaking covers up everything we did. Just blend. Shit, man, this is just covering up everything that we did. I thought we'd see a little bit of something, but... Shit, it pretty much covers up everything. Now I just look very caked face. Like, I feel like you can see every pore I have. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but in real life, woo, she's magnified. Okay, cool. Let's move on. We have highlighter next. Guess we're not going to set our face anytime soon. All right, let's use a little bit of my favorite highlighter, the Anastasia Beverly Hills X Amrezy. And I'm going to just apply it on top. Oh. That actually doesn't look that bad. Like, it just kind of adds to the wetness look of the foundation. Like, maybe if there was a foundation that dried down and you wanted to put highlighter over it, it could be like a cute summer look. Next, we have lip liner. And this is from Kylie Cosmetics. This is called Forever and Always. I really love Kylie's lip products. I think they're really awesome. And then I'm going to just fill it on in. And then we have lipstick. So I'm going to go ahead and pop on a little bit of this Villains lipstick and Dr. Facilia. Everybody who is yelling at me for saying it wrong. Next we have mascara. And this is my favorite mascara from Milk Makeup, the Kush Mascara. Now this part I don't think really matters that much because I've had a few makeup artists. They've done my false lashes and then applied mascara after. I feel like mascara is not like that big of a deal when you apply it. I always like to apply it before, but to each their own. Next we have primer. So I'm going to be using the Tarte Quench. I'm going to prime my face. Ew. Oh, we were doing pretty okay until just now. Ew. Oh my god, that is awful. F you, primer. Ew. 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 I look like freaking I'm not supposed to be on the House of Wax or something. I don't even know how to fix that. Beauty blend it in, maybe? Ew, it feels so cakey. Next, we have setting powder. So I'm going to go ahead and use some of my Laura Mercier, my favorite powder of all time, and just get everything set. I look weird. It just looks like my face has no dimension. You know what I mean? It's just like paste, it looks like. And the last thing we got is setting spray. I'm going to use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water and spray it on. Oh no, I think that just got in my tea. Hopefully that's okay to drink. Okay, you guys, and this is the finished look. Watch some trolls comment and be like, wow, this is the best I've ever seen your makeup. Oh my god, you guys, I cannot get over this. I look disgusting. The only thing I feel like looks fine are my eyebrows. This was such a fun challenge. It got me laughing, you guys. I have not been in the best mood mentally, especially with this broken foot of mine. It's definitely not helping with anything. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it made you laugh. And a huge shout out again to Nikki and James for bringing this challenge to light. I think it was so fun to do. Again, I really want to see freaking Jenna Marbles do it. Please, please, please. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I am currently doing a huge giveaway on my Instagram. So make sure you go and check it out. All you have to do is be following me on Instagram and you'll be entered to win. I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time, hopefully looking a little bit better than this. I love y'all. Bye.